Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to upload photos from your phone directly to your Google Drive. Yes, so as from here you can actually upload photos and videos directly to your Google Drive, right? I know some people don't know how to do that, but I'm going to show you how to do that, right? So first thing, you have to go to your Google Drive app. So make sure you update your Google app drive, right? So after doing that, here is my Google Drive right here. So if you look above your screen, you're going to see a profile. Click on that and make sure you are logged into your main email account, the correct one. So after doing that and you're sure you are in the correct one, all you need to do is create a folder, right? Once you click on this plus sign right here, you can see folder. So you have to create a folder for what you want to upload. So you can just give it a title. So we're going to use test folder 2 because I already created a one. So after doing this, you can see right here. So how are you going to actually get access to that? Because if you look at your menu right here, you can't find that. So you just click on search and search test folder 2. Click on that and right here you want to upload videos and photos, right, and files as well. Click on plus sign and click on upload. Once you click on upload, it's going to take you to your album or your gallery. You can actually choose from here, maybe from SoundPicker or your WPS Office, which is where you can get your documents and PDF from as well. So I'm going to be uploading these two photos on my screen right here. I'll click on it and this one too. Once I click on that, look above your screen and you're going to see select. I'm going to click on select and you can see upload. Click on upload and it's going to be uploaded. Though the reason why it's waiting because you have to actually have a strong internet connection or a Wi-Fi that is strong either. So you can see I've uploaded these photos already on my, you can see right here. So it's very easy and simple to do. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.